Alright, so I'm gonna just add this in the intro of the video. So I'm not sure what today's vlog is gonna be about, but I'm gonna just add this. November 15th, this upcoming Saturday, I will have a new drop. Got it right here. This pinstripe distress hoodie, super fire. Let me show it to you. Alright, so this is a new design, bro. Super freaking gas. The quality is way better than we've ever done. Got the slight distressing on the pockets, the hoodie, the sleeves, the bottom. This does not do it justice at all.
Yeah, we big outside. That's how we're gonna start the vlog today, bro. Big mobs. I haven't mobbed with the homies in a minute, but they big outside today, bro. Yes, sir. Stop playing. Enjoyed those small clips of the homies whips, bro. That homie Slendy be wildin'. But and dude, and the homie Wentz's IS300 shoots mad flame. I'm not sure if I really got it, but the pops in that thing are stupid loud. That gets into what we're gonna be doing in today's video. So as y'all see, I'm trying to switch up how I do these videos, bro. So you know, I'm getting a little bit more comfortable. But as y'all see, we got headers, Catless headers from Flash Shark. Big shout out to them. Use my code right here. Once again, these things are sick. They're super light, sort of. Anyways, these things are sick, dude. I should definitely heat wrap them, but I'm probably not going to. So hopefully I don't regret that. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna be replacing the stock header, which has 3 cats, I believe 2. I'll take it back. 2 cats on the header, 1 on each of the runners, and then so that's gonna delete it and more loud, right? Hopefully we notice a little bit of torque or whatever. Still gonna be running the stock white pipe, which also has a cat on it because I don't want it to be too raspy. So yeah, we're gonna definitely have fun. Hopefully either I'm gonna really like this mod or I'm gonna really regret it. So hopefully we don't really regret it. That we got the car jacked up so we can get to the white pipe, obviously, to disconnect it. Dude, I'm actually super excited to throw these headers on. See, the thing with recording, especially videos like this, that makes it awkward or whatever, is that you're talking to yourself, but at the same time I'm not really talking to myself because whoever's watching this, I'm kind of talking to you. So you make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, exactly. So since I'm talking to you, yeah, that's what we're doing. Got the header. This thing's nice. I should heat wrap it. I already said that, but we're not going to. So first things first is we got to remove this intake. A lot of people I've seen videos do it where they have to remove the throttle body. I don't see why you'd have to do that, but hopefully we don't have to do that. Hopefully this is smooth. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. And yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna look sick, and hopefully it sounds a lot better because the cat exhaust sounds good, but it's just not doing it for me. It's not as loud as I want it to be, and yeah. A lot of y'all watching might be against wearing gloves, but not this guy, because one thing I like while working on cars with gloves is that once you're done, take them off and your hands are clean. I hate having stained hands, bro. It's super annoying. And if you got a girlfriend, bro, I'm pretty sure she doesn't like it either. So let's go ahead and remove these sensors. I believe that's the math. Alright. Are you guys more of like an organized person when it comes to your tools? Or do you guys just find shit by just kind of looking for it, like me? I'm telling you, bro, my shit is not organized at all. It probably takes me longer to look for my tools than it actually takes to do whatever I'm gonna do, which is super bad. But after this, what else should we do to the IS? Probably intake. Just cause, why not? I definitely want to weld the diff, get some front arms and rear arms, get a good alignment on this thing. If we need to remove the whole intake box, I'm just gonna remove the tube, whatever you want to fucking call it. Not the box, I don't need to because I'm gonna be all the way over here anyway, so just the tube should be enough clearance. So that means also then need to unplug that sensor. So just like that, it's off. Yeah, look, that hole is cooked. It's like supposed to be rubber, but it's like really hard now since it's old. And got all the bolts exposed, which is good. Now next, you can unplug the O2s. I really want to see how I can make these videos more interesting. Because to be honest, I just be kicking it with myself. Sometimes it gets a little bit boring. You know, back in the day, when all the homies would be outside, it was a lot more fun to work on cars, I ain't gonna lie. But I still enjoy it. Just when you you know, you have a group of people to do it with, honestly, it's a lot more fun. Luckily, we got all these bolts off with ease. They're all off already. I just got disconnected from the white pipe and basically it's ready to come out. So hopefully that goes smoothly. I still need to jack up the car just a little bit higher. I think I need a little bit more room. So yeah, we're gonna get to it. Not wasting no time. Let's get to the outcome already. Alright, now we got it disconnected from the white pipe. Got the exhaust hanging. Wasn't as difficult as I thought. So now let's just get it out. That way we're almost done. Install the new one. We're good to go. Paint. So if you're doing this on your car, just make sure that you guys just remove the throttle body. I didn't remove it. Like, I mean, I basically removed it completely. That and the 202 sensors on the right side, as well as a couple of bracket. What else? Another bracket. I think that's for the starter. Disconnected that as well. And then 2 people, bro. If you're doing this by yourself, bro, good luck, because definitely gonna be challenging. But now it looks so empty. It's gonna look way better with the new header on. As long as we get the new header on, no leaks or anything like that, we should be chilling. And after having a blast trying to maneuver it into the stock white pipe, everything is back on. Just gonna put the intake back on and the install is done. Working on Civics, way easier than this. But anyways, it's done. Everything's tight. Gotta double check real quick. I threw some muffler sealer. I always use that. I just paranoid of having exhaust leaks. I hate exhaust leaks. So muffler sealer, gonna let it dry for, you know, a couple of, like an hour or 2, and then we'll get the first start. But yeah, it looks super clean. All right, so don't mind the dirty whip, but we finished. Had to go inside and wash it real quick because I was super dirty. But yeah, we got everything buttoned back up. Header's looking sick. Like I said, I didn't heat wrap them. Maybe I should have. But I'm hoping that we're gonna go for the first start right now and everything's gonna be fine, which is literally what's gonna happen because we gotta manifest that. I did end up going to AutoZone because this PVC hose or whatever you want to call it was broken, so went ahead and just replaced that with a rubber line, so that should be good to go. Other than that, let's get the first start. It all falls apart.
Shit is gas.
Back at it again because we got our nail now. But fuck it though. That shit is clean though. That's why I stay here. Damn, my camera about to die, but I forgot to show y'all how the headers sound. So we're gonna get a good sound test right now.